I'm Jill, co-founder of Calm Skincare, and this is one of my besties, Marianne.
Hi, I've known Jill for 20 years and we've had a lot of adventures together.
Oh my
and
God, we met in
it
New Orleans.
continues.
So I founded Calm in 2010 with the backpacker's mentality. I really wanted easy to travel, packable, refillable skincare that I could reformulate while I was traveling because you couldn't necessarily order anything back then very easily. So what could I find in the grocery store that could still moisturize and wash my body?
Yes, and I was a customer with Calm before I became involved with the company, and I've been trying to live a more sustainable day-to-day life, so having less plastic, less preservatives, and this was just a great way to incorporate that into my life.